Hi everyone, welcome to TechViewHub. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how we can resolve this error. The error is java.runtime.exception unable to start activity component info. We are getting error in inflating the fragment container view. So first we are creating a fragment. So we have created the fragment. Moving to activity main.xml. Now we are creating the fragment container view. Placing it in the required place. Next we are adding the attribute Android name. Inside this we are placing the fragment one which we have created. So we have created the fragment container view. Now we are running the app. We are getting the error in the logcat. The error is Java runtime exception unable to start activity component info. We are getting error in inflating the fragment container view. The main reason for this error is we have forgot to add the ID to the fragment container view. So we are adding the ID. Now we are running the app. the error is resolved and we are getting the fragment. Thanks for watching the video.